With this expression, we're asked to condense this. So we've got many different parts here, and we're asked to condense it into one logarithm. Now we can do that as long as the base is the same. These are all log base 5. If they were all log base 10, that would work too. It doesn't matter as long as they're all the same base, then these rules will work. Okay, so the very first thing that we're going to do is use our laws of logarithms. And the first one here says our rules for exponents. We can have it as an exponent here. This is in condensed form. Over here, this one is in expanded form. And this may look a little bit confusing, so let's try an example first. So I've got this one. This is 3 log 7 base log base 7 of k. Now this 3 here, I can write it out front. This is considered expanded form. If I want to do it in condensed form, I take that 3 and I move it over to be the exponent of this k. In other words, it would look like this, log base 7 k cubed. Okay, these two are equivalent. This one over here on the left is considered the expanded form, and the one on the right is considered the condensed form. So let's do that down here. I've got a 4 here. This 4 will turn into my exponent for the m. This one here is just a 1, so I don't need to really do anything there. This one over here, though, this y, has a 12 right here. This 12 needs to be moved to the exponent of the y as well. So we're going to do that as our first step. And we'll notice here I've got m to the 4th, and that 4 came from right over here. This one stays the same. This one I had a 12 out in front. That means I moved that to the exponent. Okay, these are a little bit more condensed. We're not done with it yet, but we're on our path, if you will. Okay, now that we've got that one done, now let's look at another rule of logarithms. See how all of these are addition here? The rule of logarithms with addition says this. If it has the same base, and again these all have the same base, and it has an addition sign here, the way that we can condense this is by multiplying these two components here together. Okay, now let's look at an example here. So I've got these both have the log base 2. Now this one has a 3 and a p, so using my laws of logarithms, I can combine these by multiplying the 3 and the p. It should look like this. This is the condensed form here on the right-hand side. So now with that knowledge, all of these are base 5s for my logarithms. So now I'm just going to multiply each one of these components, m to the 4th, n, and y to the 12th. So your answer should look like that, log base 5, and then it's just m to the 4th, n, and y to the 12th.